Fanco designed the Horizon DC to include everything Australians want in a ceiling fan. It fits right into our range of choice recommended ceiling fans and delivers exactly what our customers have been asking for. The energy-efficient Horizon comes packaged with either a remote or Fanco's brand new wall control. It's our most innovative ceiling fan to date. The 52-inch Horizon uses just 26 watts of power, and the commanding 64-inch model uses just 38 watts. Both the remote and wall control are tailored to give you the speed you need, whether that's high airflow or a gentle breeze. A single touch of a button reverses the Horizon's motion for summer or winter use. Another button sets a timer to switch off the fan after 1, 4, or 8 hours. The Horizon ceiling fan accommodates an energy-efficient LED light, which fits neatly into the base of the fan without changing its size or shape. This light features color-changing technology. Simply use the light button on your preferred controller to select from cool, natural, or warm white light. It's available in 2 sizes and looks great inside or outside. The Horizon is available in either a classic pure white or an elegant oil rub bronze finish. With so many options available, the Horizon DC is one of the most versatile fans on the market.